Hello there. I would like to show you the Civilian Ratcheting Medical Tourniquet RMT. So its unique features are that it is simple, intuitive to use. It has a self-locking device. The instructions are clearly printed on the RMT. It is compact, lightweight, and rugged. Now let me please show you how to use it. So, when we are about to use the RMT in an emergency event, we first must open the opening, the gap, so it could fit easily on a thigh or onto an arm. And so we take it, and here we have an easy place to grip, and so we will pull. And make sure that it is tight so we can stop the blood flow. Then we will easily lift this several times and have a look how it tightens the RMT. And for opening it, of course, only a medical professional can open it after the patient is being looked at, but simply lift it and see how it releases. So besides the civilian RMT, we also have this tactical RMT too. It is wider than normal. We also have this tourniquet. As well as this small for under 55 kilos. This is for smaller people or children.